Autoscript have been the brand leaders in teleprompting for many years now. They've been trading for 30 years and have decades of prompting experience across their teams around the world. Autoscript make the most highly developed prompting software that there is, in partnership with all major newsroom system providers. Because of their 24-hour rental division, Autoscript prompters are developed and tested thoroughly. It means they're out in the field being used in a live, real-world situation. And Autoscript have the best 24-hour support available as well. The point with prompting is it's often the last thing thought of, but always the first thing missed. It's so important to have a company that knows exactly what they're doing, can offer expertise across the whole service, and that ultimately the client can completely rely on.